Good morning. Day 3 of being in Disney, and we've not yet been to Disney World or any of the parks. We're actually going to Universal today. Yay!
So let's go. All aboard.
Oh my god, we've got the actual... First ride of the holiday, the Travelator.
Theme park pigeon.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to go on that. I don't know what I'm going to go on it.
Escape route. Wait, something's wrong. It's Devastator. Where's Vortex? We need cover. Hold on. Sideswipe. Rookie, they trusted you with this mission. We got it, Storm Crusher. My gun's jammed. Get it. It's him again. Activate battle shields. We're hit. Hold on. Brace yourself.
Yeah.
He does struggle. We went on this...
Was that only what? So it wasn't a 10 out of 10. It was like a 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10 Transformers.
So clearly, Dad, like when
Yeah.
he was in high and then you all these motion ones, like I said to Ollie, wait till you don't want it because it's so blurry on the screen there, whereas that is like,
How do you get down to it?
In the entrance there. Because you have to leave your bags, don't you?
oh do you?
Yeah.
Forfeit your souls. Is only the beginning.
Seven out of 10. Oh, do you know what time it is?
Anybody want some Diet Coke?
Yes, please, right?
That's why Ollie thinks it's still better.
Hello. I will try American Diet Coke, please. Just no, because any sweet ale. Just say it is.
Yeah. Not as sweet as in
Yeah.
It's not that you're stuck in here. It's actually more stuck in here. Now I've actually seen it.
Move along to the security office to have your identification photo taken. Then proceed to the large office and where Your first visit of the
Mum, please. No, do it again. Mum just stood right in it. I know.
So, welcome to Gringotts. Perfectly safe, as you can see. And Lamenting! What the name of Marlon are you doing? We've got the Horcrux. You really need to get out of here. I'll send you ahead to the floor deck. He'll get you into a vault for safety. We go, you baby!
We've just been on Gringotts. Best ride of the day so far.
Bit fine,
That was good timing. Very good timing. Yeah, that was the best ride of the day. I don't remember going on it years. Well, I do remember going on it, but I thought it was just like a simulator ride. I didn't realise that's actually a coaster, so that was wicked. Thoughts?
Yeah, it's alright, it's not forbidden.
Oh, you're not a fan?
Yeah, it's alright, yeah, it's a 6, 7 out of 10. I like Forbidden Journey better.
Oh, okay.
Right,
I can't remember that one either. I think the best one will be Hagrid's though. We shall
Yes,
see.
I'm looking forward to
We
it.
shall see.
Yeah? What's this, a pet? This is a pet shop, is it?
That's funny. Yeah.
Where's this show at?
It's down here on the left. Boy.
Mo's Bar later.
Sure,
Yeah.
we've never been in Mo's Bar. See if it looks like just like the
anytime.
Hello. I'm gonna time out.
ask, yeah, tired.
We're on our way to Hagrid's. We didn't do the Harry Potter rides. Out of the two that we've done, Gringotts and the other one,
Forbidden Journey, yeah.
Forbidden Journey. Forbidden Journey is definitely my favourite, but I know this is going to be like my favourite ride. Maybe my favourite ride of the day. We still haven't been on Velocicoaster though, so that could be the favourite.
Well, this is going to be one of the best coasters, isn't it?
Oh yeah,
Definitely, without a doubt.
we've been waiting for this for years.
Yes. Last time we was here, they were ripping out Julian Dragons, weren't they, to build it.
In fact, he's right in front of us. This cannot be good.
You're on it. So, verdict.
The animatronic was the best bit.
The animatronic was the best bit.
I'm still confused on the woman that disappeared and then didn't get rescued.
We also went on Hagrid's. Amazing! That was the best ride of the day.
Now we go for Velocicoaster.
We're going to Velocicoaster, so who knows, we might have a new best ride of the day in like 10 minutes, well, 15 minutes.
Every ride can't be the best ride of the day.
I can try my best.
We dare to imagine a world with dinosaurs.
Verdict on Velocicoaster is that Hagrid was better. It was good, don't get me wrong, but it just sort of hurt.
Yeah, it was painful. Afternoon.
I want a corn dog.
Corn dog.
One now.
She loves the corn dogs.
It's not on there now.
Their lives would change forever when they found themselves on the doorstep of the legendary.
Only got the
Disney Springs. I'm so tired. To watch the drone show. It got rained out last night. Yeah, last night was literally like torrential rain. It was awful. And then earlier on today in Universal, the Mega Movie Parade got cancelled.
Coming now,
And oh, nice. And when it got cancelled, we were just like, don't want to stay late for the Cinesational. So we came to Disney Springs instead. Oh no, they're going up.
Good evening. Right here, underneath the starlit sky, a timeless adventure is about to unfold. Inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Now, unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
Magic takes its flight, colors in our sight. Drones in sync they dance, make the sky romance. Shapes that take a chance, lost in their trance. Disney dreams take flight in the sky tonight. Every star so bright, magical delight. Who's and dolls abound, faces all around. Hearts begin to pound, magic's what we found. Disney dreams take flight in the sky tonight. Every star so bright, magical delight. Who's and dolls abound, faces all around. Hearts begin to pound, magic's what we found. Disney dreams take flight, in the sky tonight. Yeah, yeah. Every star so bright, oh yeah. Magical delight, delight. Underneath the sky, oh, oh. Wonder fills our eyes, yeah, 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 yeah. Magic's in the air, oh yeah. Dreams beyond compare.
Enabling low light. That was very good, wasn't it?
Very good. We've seen the one in Paris, and I don't know. I feel like they're on par with each other. Obviously, the one in Paris is actually at the castle, so that's like very magical. But this one was at Spring, so it was still amazing, like incredible.